Hey everybody, Amy and Lily here, and today we are going to plant some, an annual and a perennial, but we're going to show kids how to plant. That is the goal for today. Okay, do you remember what this is?
Milkweed.
Milkweed. And what is milkweed good for?
Butterflies!
Butterflies! So we're going to plant some milkweed for the butterflies. This variety is called Cinderella butterfly flower. Isn't that so pretty? Let's show them. Cinderella butterfly flower.
Just like Cinderella with her stepmother and stepmother.
And you helped pick this out at the greenhouse, didn't you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, it likes full sun. It gets 3 to 5 feet tall. That's as big as me. And it gets 30 to 36 feet wide. Not feet, my goodness, wow. Milkweed does spread, but not that bad, okay? Anyway, it gets 30 to 36 inches wide, okay? It is hardy down to zone 3, which is even colder than we are here, so that's so good. It's gonna come back for years. It attracts butterflies, hummingbirds, it's a cut flower, and it's deer resistant, and it has fall and winter color. But it's poisonous to us. We do not eat this plant. You know that? Remember? Okay, come here. The other thing we're gonna plant is this gorgeous thing right here. Do you remember what this is called? Osteospermum.
Osteospermum. Don't just say it like your little babies.
Osteospermums, gorgeous little daisy flower in the Asteraceae family. And this one also prefers full sun. It's an annual in our climate. It's, let's see, height is 12 to 18 inches and space them about a foot apart. Okay, so this blooms all summer. If you fertilize it, it's gorgeous. Keep it deadheaded. But, so, gardening with kids, we're gonna plant them. Lily, where do you want to plant them? They're your plants. Come here. Look.
Let me watch you plant them.
These are your plants. Where do you want to plant them?
Here.
You're gonna put one right there? Okay, so first we dig a hole, right? How deep are you gonna dig the hole? Do you know how deep to dig the hole? You're gonna dig it as deep as this pot. Which one do you want to plant there? The osteospermum? Okay. Yep, dig a nice hole.
I think that's enough.
You think so? Pick up the pot and put it in the hole.
Okay.
Without taking the plant out of the pot just yet. Put it in the hole. Now, is this dirt about as deep as this dirt?
Yes.
No. I still touch the side of the pot, so you need your hole to be a little deeper. You know what you can do to make it go a little faster? Watch this. You see the hori-hori? Push down in and pull up a shovelful. Like that. There. Now it's nice and deep, huh?
Yeah, maybe that's enough.
Try that. There you go. Because you want your hole to... No, hold on. You're not going to fill it in yet. You want your hole to be the same size as this, right? Now, we're going to take the plant out of the pot. And here's how you do it. You put your hand over this, and then you flip it over, and the dirt falls right out. You want to try? Here. Put your hand right over that. Now you turn it over, and look, you're holding the plant. Now,
Sit down.
these roots are kind of stuck in a tight ball, aren't they? Yeah, that's called root bound, right? That's right, you try it. You're going to massage those roots. Give them a little massage.
Just like Daddy has these massages.
Yeah, just like Daddy has you massage his back when you jump on it. Beautiful. Now do it this way, too. Such a good job. And you see how the roots are all kind of coming out now? You can even brush it a little bit like this. Look how they're all coming out. Now, you turn it back over. And now you fill in with the dirt.
Where's my horn?
You're so cute. push down with our hands. Yes, just like that. We want the soil to be nice and snug, just covering the root ball that was in the pot, but not burying it.
This one.
And we push down with our hands. Where do you want to plant your milkweed? It's going to get really tall, so it has to go somewhere where there's room.
How about right here?
How about right there? Well, we'll have to move the brick.
Yeah, let's put it.
Actually, I like that spot. We'll put it right here next to the brick. How's that?
Idea.
Okay, get the hori. Oh, look, an earwig. Earwig, baby! Put the soil off to the side, not into the driveway, okay? Let's make your hole your square this way.
That kind of looks like
Brown goop. Okay, where's your plant? Yeah, you do it. Flip it over. If it doesn't come right out, put your hand under. Squeeze the sides a bit. Maybe shake it. There it is. There. And see, if it's really tight like that, it means it's really root bound, so give it a real good massage, okay? Another way to do it, get both hands in there, just kind of open it up. Yeah, because that gets it nice and loose. Okay, now put it in. Remember, you want the top of this to be level with this, so that's actually a little bit too deep. Let's put a little bit of dirt back, just like that. Now we're going to fill it in. All done with those. Do you want to put in one more?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Oh, we should put our plant tags in. Tag right here so we remember what it is. Okay.
I have a great plan for this to be.
Okay, so this is a rock cress, which is something that cascades over. It's great for planting in a rock bed. Okay, for us, we're going to put it right next to the street. Perfect. That's exactly where I was thinking. Dig a hole. Start like this. In. There. Yes. Beautiful. See how much faster that is? Put the hori right in there. Dig your hole. You're throwing dirt on me. Ah!
That's alright, it can wash off.
It washes off. Let's get your hole done. There we go. Now this pot's a little bigger than the others.
We have to make it super big.
But we have to make the hole the same
Mom,
size
can I
as the pot.
massage the roots?
Yes. How about you massage the roots?
Whoa.
Whoa! These are fibrous roots. They're smaller than the others, huh?
Good massage.
Good. Get down in there. Good. Now, I'm going to hold this up. You put the dirt back in. A little bit of dirt over the root ball that was in the pot. And we're all done. High five. Good job.